Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to share DoorDash order. First, open the DoorDash app or website. If you want others to add to the order, use the group order feature. Start from the restaurant page and create a group order link. Share this link with friends or family so they can add their items to the cart. If you want to surprise someone, use the gifting option. Choose the meal, enter their delivery address, and add a personalized note. They don't need the app to receive it. Double check the order, delivery address, and payment details, then place the order. And that's it. You've successfully shared your DoorDash order. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.